Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're doing a viewer request video for a demonstration of these steel professional grade black handcuffs. You can see I have one attached to this table right here as an anchor point. And then here you can see how they function. Pretty simple. It'll push all the way through. And it's a ratcheting system, and it does not pull back out this way. And of course, you can unlock it with the provided keys. So, let's get to it. So here's want to see a demonstration of me handcuffing myself. Of course, that's not possible, but I can handcuff myself to the table for demonstration. You can see they get quite tight. Well, they can get as tight as you want, actually. So yeah, they're not going anywhere. And as far as I know, I don't know how to pick these. I'm sure you could come up with a way to pick these, but then again, you can come up with a way to pick any pair of handcuffs. So that's not necessarily a bad thing about these. So yeah, here you go. And then of course, to take them off, normally both of your hands would be handcuffed if you were being handcuffed for a bad reason. But here, just for demonstration, put the key in the keyhole, turn it to the right, and they come right off just like that. And then of course, same can go for this pair that's attached to the table. Turn the key to the right, and it'll come right off. So yeah, just like that. These are made of steel, very strong, not going anywhere. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys next time. Goodbye.